Brilliant promo codes. So if you want brilliant promo codes or discount codes, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your favorite browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with search. Under search, you need to search for brilliant promo code. After searching, you need to right click on the first website and then go with open link in new tab and go with the second one or the third one, go with open in new link tab. And again, do that same with 3 to 4 websites, and after that, you need to go with the website that you've opened in a new tab. And here you will have the offers, right? So you can just simply scroll down and you can click on show deal. And after clicking on that, you will have the promo codes. You can just simply copy and then paste it on your Brilliant. Or if that doesn't work, then you can go with the next website and here you will have the coupon codes or discount codes. You can just simply go with get code and you can copy this code and paste it. Or you'll also have other websites, so you can go with get this deal and you will get some promo codes. So that's how you can get the coupon codes or promo codes or discount codes for Brilliant. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.